Here I have Motorola G100, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly, let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Battery Saver. Just tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you could set a schedule for this mode based on your battery percentage, basically at which battery percentage, battery level, this mode will be turned on automatically. For example, it could be 15%, and you can also set it to turn off automatically when your device is up to 19% charged. Pretty useful. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.